Meet Mr. C to C, and this is his story on how he still discovers Doers on Action DOA podcast. Mr. C to C is a young married graduate, daily commuting from campus life to corporate life. What he really needs in life is to know how to balance his personal life and professional life. Mr. C to C had suffered a lot from bad life experiences, but he is neither willing to invest nor educate or learn lessons of life. He actually never thinks on how can he convert circles to spirals. Every day, Mr. C to C gets up in the morning and completes his routine work. His mind is filled with frustrated moments, a lot of questions. The more he thinks, the more he gets frustrated. But what actually Mr. C to C misses is the fact that knowledge does not give you the doing skills. Suddenly he remembers one of his philosophy teacher quotes, "If want to enjoy the fruits, work at the roots." Mr. C to C took his gadget and listened to DOA Podcast, aka Doers on Action Podcast. He gets recharged, excited, and energized and ready to fire into action. Free time is airtime. Airtime is due time. Every day, 1 hour means 365 hours a year. Now he wins the Best Success Award.